So let's start out by taking the needle out. Let's undo the needle clamp screw and then take that needle straight down and off to the side. Now, if this needle should drop, the thread going through the eye of the needle would actually keep it safe from falling down inside the machine. We're going to put that into the accessory tray. Take your foot off by pulling this all four corners straight forward like that. We can also put that down below. To unthread the machine, snip your thread at the top and pull the thread out at the needle area. The reason for that is if there's any lint on that thread, you don't want that being pulled up into the tension discs. Now we take out the bobbin, lift that out, and we're going to put that down in there. By the way, for needles, you want to change your needle about every 3 full bobbins. That's because by that time, the needle is starting to get dull at the tip and it can actually damage your fabric or just cause skip stitches. So change your needle regularly. Now we need to take off the needle plate. Using your screwdriver, loosen the screws, and then you can take them out the rest of the way by hand. They're small, so put them down into that accessory tray. You can lift off your needle plate just like that and set it off to one side. Next, we need to take out this bobbin case. In order to do that, make sure your take-up lever is up. In order to take the bobbin case out, this little knob is right next to that flexible stopper. Give it a little push to the right and pull it up. Now your bobbin case may have some lint in it. Clean it well, all sides. We also want to clean between the feed dogs here, especially if you have sewn anything like fleece or flannel, you may get some lint buildup in here. And clean inside the bobbin area like that. Make sure it's nice and clean. Now there may be some oil down there. There should be oil. You don't want to clean that out. Just leave that oil in there. That helps the bobbin area work well. Now to put this back in, make sure that that hole in the hook area is sitting right underneath the feed dogs. Then we put this on. Make sure it's sitting on the rim. Give it a little bit of a wiggle. And it goes right on. Now make sure that it's sitting well on that rim. It's not up on one side or the other. It should be just like that with that knob right next to that stopper. Next we put the needle plate on, put the screws back on. So I find it's best to tighten these by hand as much as possible. It's a little bit more efficient that way. And then tighten it the rest of the way with your screwdriver. Just needs to be snug, just like that. Then put the foot back on. Line up this little bar here with those jaws in the foot holder like this. Push it straight back and it's on. So when you put your needle back in, notice the top of the needle has this flat side. You want to make sure that's facing away from you. Poke it down there right where it sews and then bring it straight up into the needle clamp. Make sure it's all the way up to the top. That's important. And then tighten your needle clamp screw by hand and then using the screwdriver. If you found this video to be helpful, give us a like. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.